Hey guys, it's another video. This is Garren. I'm doing a Airsoft review of my gear, which I use in our Airsoft battles. My phone's on 15%, so I have to leave it on charge. Okay, I'll go get my stuff. Okay, so my National Guard book bag has a ghillie suit in it and some binoculars. I have some airsoft rounds. Some of them are good in here, and some of them are bad in here. I have this pouch right here. I stick my airsoft BBs in like this. Sometimes a mag right here for my pistol. I have a hat that has flashlights in it, so if we do a night one. And I also have a flashlight in my National Guard bag. Here's my handgun. Mag. Here's the gun. In the future, tomorrow maybe, we are releasing another Airsoft video. We haven't done part 2 yet, but we're releasing another Airsoft video. This is the shirt I wear in Airsoft. So I'm on camouflage team instead of the other teams. I have this fake vest that I used to wear when I was a little kid. I just wear it now because it's good for looks. That's at least what everyone else says. So if you like these Airsoft videos, I know this one wasn't really that good. Well, I'm sorry about that. This one wasn't really that good. We have an Airsoft battle releasing here soon with me, my stepbrother, and Harley. Tori's filming it. Well, I get shot, so I film it some of the way. But then we call time, blah, 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 then I revive. Okay, that's it for this video. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. If we can get up to 12 likes, I'll do a review of Chandler's gear. See you guys. Don't forget to smash that like button for 12 likes or higher for me to do a review on Chandler's gear. See ya.